Welcome to my channel Making Money and Finance. Before I continue, I want you to hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel so that you are the first to know when we upload a new video. And if you find our video useful, please share it with your friends and family. Today, I am going to review RateGlo, a new company. Before we go over our review today, let me say, we have different videos on our channel that we invite you watch because they have great value. In terms of finances, you can find great content about how to manage your finance. One of the subjects that is really important today, that offer a service of testing advertisement and rating on ad. RateGlo offer a program that gonna give you a percentage of that money for the work that you accomplish on the website. It is simple to apply. You need your name, a password, and you need to verify your password and you in. The website claims that you can be able to earn up to $35 a day. If you are committed to the work, they have an affiliate program as well, where you invite a friend and you get $1 of commission for everyone you invite and sign using your affiliate link. Pretty good, right? And the best part is the person you invite will receive $5 automatically on his account as a startup bonus. What are the tasks you will have to execute on RateGlo every day? First of all, you have the website's rating. When you first start, you will have to rate. Let me say rather, RateGlo have a 3-level of activity. On the first level, or level 1, you have to rate logos of different company that are looking for to launch in the market, but need to know how their logos gonna perceive. On the level 2, you have the banner ads you have to rate. They're based on their massaging and their look. The goal is to see and to make an assessment on how that banner ad gonna perform. And you have the level 3, where you have to grade different websites with a 5-star rating. And at last, they have survey complete to make more money. Can you make money with RateGlo? The answer is yes. Every day, set aside a few minutes to complete the tasks and make a couple of bucks. What are the pros and the cons for using the RateGlo website? For the pros, you will have a new ways to add money to your pocket that do not require a lot of work. You have an affiliate link where you can share with your friend and it add up quickly. You have an easy way to rate some ad and give your opinion for money. Pretty cool. For the cons, there is not many cons. I can say the only cons is the fact that you cannot withdraw your money unless you reach $80, but the withdrawal is easy and you can work from everywhere in the world. And with your PayPal, have your money right in your account. I encourage you to sign up with RateGlo and put monies in your pocket, as simple as it is. If you find value to our video, don't forget to give me a thumb up and leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget, we are in this to win, and we win always.